It's a gorgeous night. Look at the moon. Can you open up the sunroof? Spark this up for me. Thanks. With a bad chick overlooking the city, she doesn't seem cute when life's this pretty. Physically I'm here, mentally not really. Counting on my fingers, 1 to infinity, imagining galaxies in their entirety. Astronauts' memories tell me how inspiring a teacher's heart. Seeing a kid trying Amelia's mind on her first time flying. The last dinosaur watching everything dying. Egyptian architect perfect aligning. Atlantis finding. Roswell riding a young Tim Larry when I'm bike riding. Hallucinate on the hike, that'd be exciting. Fungus biting, I'd live in a mushroom. Damn, I'd live in a mushroom. Sign on my door says I'm not coming back. So lost in a chill as smoke fills the car. We can almost hear the stars. I can almost taste Mars. Baby, let's get super far. Sorry if I'm not paying you attention. The sky deserves it. Can you hear the stars? Listen.